Hello friends, in our video now, we are showing you how the Khasi people are crying if someone or a loved one dies. Of course, all people are crying and heartbroken when family members or loved ones die. But what we are going to point out here is that Khasi's people cry in their own traditional way. When they cry, they pronounce all about the good things and relate the story about that dead person. They express their heartbreak by crying. They are speaking to that death person in the sound of crying.